So now we'll discuss control and coordination. Control and coordination. Remember, still now we covered all the physiological system except central nervous system and nervous system. All the physiological system has been controlled by the central nervous system. It might be circulatory, it might be respiratory, it might be excretory, or it might be reproductive system. So what are the systems associated with our body? All the systems are being controlled by nervous system. And what is the meaning of control and coordination? Remember, control, not maximum, not minimum. It should be in a balanced form. Right now, BP range is 80 to 120 millimeter mercury pressures. It's a control range. Less than 80, hypotension, more than 120, hypertensions. That's a control range of BP is being controlled by nervous system. Okay. So mainly two system controls and coordinates all the physiological system in our body, and that two systems are mainly nervous system and endocrine system. And endocrine system is being controlled by hormones. So ultimately our body is being controlled and proper coordinated by nervous system and endocrine system. But now a question will come, does these two systems present in all organism? Practically no. It present in animals, higher animals, but not in plants. So how plant do its coordination and control? If plant doesn't contain nervous system, how it is being coordinated, how it is being controlled, all the systems in plants? So that we will discuss. So first we will discuss the control coordination system of plant. Then we will discuss animal. Right? So plant doesn't having nervous system. So how it control? And plant majorly controlled and coordinated by hormones, plant hormones. And what are the plant hormones? Let's see in detail. And plant also showing some movements. What movement exactly shown by the plants? How the movement takes place? That is positively, negatively, dependent stimuli or doesn't dependent stimuli, we'll see in detail. Now we'll discuss about the movement of the plant, the control and coordination system of the plants. Let's see in detail.